I'm Bill Wood. I'm the owner of Wilwood Disc Brakes, Wilwood Engineering. And anymore now, I mostly just wander around and try to look like I'm doing something while a bunch of other people run my company. We started out making brakes for racing. We continue to make brakes for racing. We also make brakes for hot rods and aftermarket and just about anything you have, including, agricultural combines and the military Hummer. And we do up-armored vehicles. We're a specialty brake company. If you're not General Motors and you don't need a million brakes, but you need a good brake and in relatively small quantities, we got them. I literally put the first brakes together at my kitchen table and just kind of went from there. Over time, it kept growing and different stuff. And I was blessed with having a talented people come work for me. And over the years, I've collected, there's a pile of people at Wilwood that have worked here for 30, 35 years. And we built this place, and it was as much them or more them than it was me. I basically just I spent a lot of time trying to make sure we didn't run out of money, and we kept making brakes. The third set of brakes I ever made, I dragged over to Riverside International Raceway. The NASCAR cars were there. And I talked my way into the garage area, and somebody suggested I talk to this guy, Richard, that he knew a lot about brakes and maybe he'd be interested. And I got introduced to Richard Petty, and he took the third set of brakes I ever made and put on his race car and ran them. And at the time, I knew that was kind of a big deal, but I didn't really realize, and that's what got us going. All of a sudden, there were other people interested, and it became a matter of trying to figure out how to make brakes rather than how to sell them to anybody. So that was pretty cool. We didn't have computers to design things on. We didn't have finite element analysis to analyze what the shape of a caliper would be or how the heat flow would go through it and that kind of, I designed the first calipers on my kitchen table on paper and made some wooden patterns, and we then made castings off the wooden patterns. That's not how we do it now. I mean, now it's all designed on a 3D CAD system with finite element analysis, and the brakes, they're much lighter, they're much more resistant to heat. It's really been a matter of fine-tuning the applications to, and the particular product to the particular needs of a particular application, and we continue to do that. And and we have a lot of fancy computerized AI type tools to do that. I don't know that this industry would exist in the way that it does without PRI. I mean, it allows everybody to get together. It allows a lot of our customers to meet our customers to meet us, to meet our competitors, to meet the other people in the industry. And I think, if you know, if it didn't exist, somebody'd have to invent it, you know. But it's definitely been a major source of growth for Wilwood. I'm Bill Wood, and I am PRI.